Today we had high school students out from Bannon High School and we were doing some creek biomonitoring. So what we're doing is we're assessing the health of the creek by using the framework of stream ecology.
So we're investigating the creek health and the quality of the water and the creek.
It's so boring being inside and learning about the environment at our desks, but getting outside and actually doing the tests, performing hands-on, it's super fun.
We are doing an assessment of the health of Laurel Creek today. Students are performing a physical assessment on the habitat of the creek. They're doing a chemical assessment and looking at the water quality.
So we got probes and we checked different levels of the water. So there was pH and then turbidity, just a bunch of tests, and we compared it to what normal results are.
Students learn to calculate what we call the index for biotic integrity with this data. So they take the macroinvertebrate data and calculate the score that helps us evaluate the health of the creek. We actually encourage students to put this field work on their resume. They're getting a great taste of what it is to be a field scientist. Also, this data gets used by Dr. Patrick Edwards, who is a professor at Portland State University, who is helping keep track of this long-term data set that we've been collecting over more than a decade to help evaluate the health of creeks here in Solano County.
Dr. Pat Edwards is a professor from Portland State University. He's a professional in bioassessment, and he has not just created this methodology, but he has really refined it. So we're able to go out, take subsamples of different organisms, and really learn more about creek health by observing these organisms and identifying them.
Dr. Pat, he got into the water and he disturbed the, what did he say? It's he disturbed the substrate. So he's just rubbing the grasses, and we do that for about a minute. And while he's doing that, we have a net and we're just taking all the insects that come out of that.
And then we go back and investigate to see the different types of macroinvertebrates and microinvertebrates. Depending on the tolerance of the insects, then we can tell how much pollution is inside of the water.
A lot of the students push themselves outside of their comfort zone. It was really exciting to see them excel in maybe some fields that they could have not imagined themselves in before.
Yeah, it actually feels useful. It feels like I'm a part of something and that I'm actually helping the community, I guess.
My favorite thing about this kind of field trip is working with students and watching them have this experience that is new and different to them. Whether they're really enjoying it or they're gaining confidence, over the course of the field trip, it's always really fun to see them learn and grow and apply things that we've been teaching them in the classroom out in the field and seeing that experience come full circle.